Until finally, Avraham ben Moshe, Abetra Nadrian, after Abu Trika arrest no. And someone, some George, as information communication minister, okay, canon, oh, I'll fire, all the TikTokers no. Over will pin more fire. Memon Chimu actually watching Amame. Ewo comment section. I Penyah broke media. Mess was any demo. Obe like keep video, not that my subscribe button, some back like notification, corner latest updates, now better the watching the Amame. Ewo comment section. Master Baswa. Not your first any biasha. It was last week Thursday. And I buy news from say, I bet you Abu Trika Edneko. I say FBI for. And a free was ever Ghana Hanum only petition and a bar Hanum. And I announced Emma Yoko together with NACOC, CID, NIB, Cyber Security Authority for Omunina Humbomo, and then Omuko Tabri, Abu Trika. One of his mansions, Omgo Chin in fear Nibakumu, and as Omodern acquire now, they are on process to handle him over to FBI in USC. They are on process to extradite him to USC. Now, you know, it's an issue about some judge as information communication minister. Ebe cancer baby. I no chance that there are more arrests to come.
You realize that just yesterday, one of my agencies, the Cybersecurity Authority, picked up an individual who is supposed to be successful. There's no peace with that kind of success. And there are 3 more we're picking up in the next few days because we're cracking down on cybercrime. And so cybercrime does not pay. But education is the only thing nobody can take away from you. They can take all you have. They can take your cars, your houses away from you. But what you know and what you've learned cannot be taken away from you. And so education is the priceless gift that a child can get from their parents. And so I urge all the young kids to take their education serious. I am living proof that education pays. You understand me? And so our teachers, like I pointed out to them, I urge them to be patient with the kids. Today's children live in a difficult world. The distractions of the internet and technology is enough to take them away from the classroom. And so we need to give them, we have to be patient enough to give the children the impetus to stay in the classroom.
They are almost done with the investigations, and very soon, no, you bet you Munkasa almost in a bet you woman. Emma media so it will be now ever to my dream. Ever, when I was here, Avraham ben Moshe, Abekasa, Nemuno, were blasted Sam George.
Penyah friend na Sam George, what name na Sam George? We will come and pick 3 other people. And ya mu grosua, mu be ma America for be from mebunu ni na akọ because who Sam George no. Wa ban any MPP aban edwuma sen na mwebie. A nurse for kra ketua ye sen. And the way nurse ni a age wo san ye hook up ka ho. And the way nurse ni a age sa wo fa sugar daddy for 3. Jana, your girls Libya, or Jumano, or linky girls, Emma big boys, or Jumano. Your girls Libya, or minimum paying for, and to Jumano, a link up. Then I make a match now. Tianobati, and a nurse for, and a nurse for ye gamine, and a nurse for ye gamine. Or bar, where couldn't Yansa Semeco nursing training, or Pashawa bar, and continue for your marshal. Yeah, ah? Or bound where wouldn't Yansa Semeco nursing training. Or Pashaw any hook up or bar, or no back at the work on nursing training. There be. And you will ban the plans, no. And your division is so by your nursing. Now, when Nisika out the bed your apartment, or Nisika out the bed home, and Tiajo pen Memma Miansa, and Memma 9, and Memmensia. Now, Memma need dinning kakra, no more pebia mano, and Manedia Bobra. Oh, my man, you're free me. Oh, we don't glorify nurses. Oh, we are national service. We don't glorify them.
Yeah, I mean, the challenges that a lot of people face from the challenges of in this area, a lot of the kids either want to go fishing, the young boys want to go fishing because they think that that's the quicker way to make money than being in the classroom. There are girls who, because of period poverty, are having to sell their bodies for sanitary material. Thanks to President Muhammad, that should come to an end with the free sanitary partner policy that we have.
Hey, Sam George, what do you say? Wama yenumbi abejie di say ye raw mane boama a moma na koka baby ahadwen oni wa brabomu for the past 7 months our free we as what dani mukui Sam George, ever since I had to a battle call parliament, Adia mienu ena wa achieve cloud chasing. Any overweight. Adia mienu we na wo Sam George wa achieve your parliament. Like asema waka. Mo obi ti se wo Sam George. Ya the mic tia wa no na kasa na koduru fia. Do you even try to play back? When I actual tribute, Emma Yenina who say, na yura, the groomed NPP, honorable Manabuama, no, na gado. Emma Okanyan says, ever since our papa na free wa brabo, some time job make what than imukui. Yesha NDC, amamwo, towards education, edition school. Huh? Sam George, Ghana need to make sure NDC character towards education, education school. Shansama Oka. Wini minyansa ankobe unse overweight as a woman no one in particular. Overweight nama all your brain muscles are clouded with fats. Waba. O pese ni panjai cyber frog na hu se school ye na omun kobi. Sam George enye wa banyi ene baye ene clear MPs including mu finance minister say over knowledge prosequa. O yere wo ho die na wa ya fa ho. FBI ayomu investigation over the years and they have decided to come for people. The only thing is that we are coming to catch these people. Now the cloud chasing now I bet now we are gonna go for other 3 people. Sam George, what have you done? Yan blame mo. NDC local champions now omun fa endro and amon amode omun na mendro so na mo se nyansa de ya ye tisere nyansa. Common sense anyame eye nyame achede a wode ache nipa omo de omun fo bida. Omun tira cloud chasing. And have a major achievement. Which now are not intending, and we will go and catch who you go and catch who. Sam George, what did you do? Huh? What did you do? Abaya what person nipa and who school says school yeah. Look at what you are doing to free SHS. Huh? Abaya what person nipa and who says school ko e won faso. Look at what you are doing to what? Ejumayafo. Nipa omwako school awia colleges. Look at your character towards them. Now you the mic to yawa noa. Now kasa big. Into school fast one say wako school na president akoto padamo. Na nipa awia school enam street. Why ye juma pole 11 months. What to any panica 1 month? Na jina ho nkan kwasi asem. Just having a one who said the only thing you people know how to do is what? Demonic propaganda. Nyansa ye di bubu omai. Amani patumi hu faswo ewo education die. Enkura NDC ni. Sam George. Afena education minister ya wa betena so. A placement keke. Parents have to bribe na emma akọ school. Enti wo catch nyansani obi a brain ekura ne se. The parents currently that can bribe. Omukọ Haruna Idrisu ho. Omusi tia 2,000, 3,000 and sana ya sesa ana ya sesa uba posting emma. No mu problem sanitary part. Money na ewu. Na wajina ho ye the mic tia wanu education ye. Have you sat for a minute to consider NDC character towards people that discipline themselves to go to school? Amafu ogufie. A teacher for amayiro mo ho akọ school. Ama nanado eba ya wodi incentives ama omo. And nurse for my year omo ho school. And another far omo ejuma. No almost omo per what? Conditions of service, better conditions of service allowance. Nanado and ye dede the kane ho Sam George. Munyina mote ho. Most suma mu communicators ma omo kwatena radio station. E kachire these people that have gone to school say omo ya shower for. You sponsor Kevin Taylor to sit abroad and insult doctors and nurses 24/7. Now you the mic to yawano. FBI ayo omwania ma be chinipa. Odi be cloud chasing because for the past 11 months you have done nothing sensible. Neither in your constituency or the position you hold, communication, nothing. And that is what you are still doing. When are you then? Huh? Do you know the time that FBI started investigating fraud? As a now in Nigeria, now you achieve hush puppy. Now because you don't have achievement. Now they want to tell you, you're the mighty anwa. And we are going for other 3 guys. One knowledge bang. Huh? Communication office now mamo edit technology to your backwardness as an MP cloud chasing a ban knowledge ben na was Sam George wa wo de be press computer aye bibi etimi akochi nipa because mo na mo afa Ghana fo num bi especially mo local champions short memories no inti chise wo ba bonten na de ono akata so. Now I can say, "What na ye?" Shame on you. Timia kachire ni pase onto eduane mbre school. Onto ni provisions embre school. Na sanitary part ene ebe ye nipa ni problem. Monko so. Unye DSCV ambassador ene. Uye FBI kama for. Unye FBI kama for. We are the ringleader of Obesity Association. Abo papa. Debia mon kanokre. Cloud chasing. Insem hunu insem fona moka. Pata na nama McBrown soft care. Andrew 20 Ghana. Muye wifu amote ho. What precedents are you setting? Huh? All the people are movia abansika. Ewia in fact, atu forcing mu nyinara. Aya di omo call a court. Enya mo na mo ba ya mo yi omo free. Na the mic tia wa no na wo yes we na hu criminal akwache no. Huh? All of you are a victim of fraud. Government fraud. Mu nyina na mo wia sika edi ye. Scholarship na ya de ma no, it was meant for people brilliant but what needy people. Oh yeah, needy an MP who Jesus scholarship no de ko ya o masters na FBI ayo mo adwuma be chini pa o de be chase clouds akachira wo ho say there is no shortcut. Ya anyamo na aye short memories local champions. Now mo betina banso a mugu free SHS. Mugu mo via aban jumayefo sika edidi and send them back to poverty, to a place where they cannot even afford television or better phone. No munhu ni ekoso ewo the world. Omunti na munye opportunity ya mo kan kwasi asema nunu mo ho akere mo ho se mo kan nyansasem sem huna kwakwa enkwatia. We are going for 3 people with what technology.
So today is 20th December 2025 and Abu Trika was arrested on the 15th of December 2025. Up to now, Abu Trika is still in Ghana. They have not been able to take him to America. So let me tell you what's happening with Abu Trika, why they have not been able to take him to America yet. Because as we know, when FBI comes for you, by this time, you would have been in America after 5 days. That's too long. You know, they did it to the other guys. But Abu Trika is still in Ghana. You know why? Let me tell you why. The reason being is because the security agencies, the Yoko, the cybercrime, whoever pick up Abu Trika, are trying to force Emmanuel Bar on him. They are forcing him to accept that his name is called Emmanuel Bar, so they can use that to extradite him. Because according to the law, if you are not able to prove someone's legal name to match them, you can't extradite that person. You could be extraditing someone, you shouldn't be doing that. So for me, I know for sure that they've got the wrong person. You know, they did what they're supposed to do as security agencies, but this is backfired. They should just let Abu Trika go because he's not the right person they're looking for. His name is not Emmanuel Bar. Therefore, the Swedru boy should be left alone to go back to his family and go back to his normal life. Please, we are begging with the Ghana authorities that let Abu Trika go because definitely you've got the wrong person in custody. Let him go. Free Abu Trika and let him go. And go for the corrupt politicians that we vote for to come and do things for us in Ghana, that they don't do it. So we are pleading with the government of Ghana to look into this and let Abu Trika go because the security agencies, Yoko, police, have got the wrong person in custody.
Comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!